The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Nissan Frontier with the Retrax Pro XR bed cover. We've just installed the Yakima OverHaul HD bed rack system. This is using the 60-inch long HD load bars, the OverHaul HD towers, and tonneau kit 1. This gives you a 300-pound on-road capacity, 180-pound off-road capacity, and an 800-pound static load capacity. Crossbars are variable along the length of this track. We actually have these pretty narrow for the installation of a rooftop cargo box. But this rack is actually a really great system for not only your recreational cargo, bikes, and kayaks, but great for building materials, rooftop tents, pretty much you name it. With the height adjustability, you can have it span and clear the cab, or bring it low and have it just below the cab height. With this particular cover, it does not obstruct opening and closing, so you can still open it if need be. And removal of the bars is pretty straightforward as well. Anyways, that's been a quick look at this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple of clicks, please visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.